What is meditation? Meditation is a practice that involves training the mind to focus and achieve a state of calm and relaxation. It is a simple, yet powerful tool that can help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and enhance overall well-being. Meditation is a broad term that encompasses various techniques and practices that aim to bring about a greater sense of awareness, inner peace, and well-being. There are many forms of meditation, each with their own unique methods and techniques. Some common forms of meditation include 1. Mindfulness meditation. This involves focusing on the present moment and being aware of thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. The goal of mindfulness meditation is to increase awareness of the present moment and to observe thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. 2. Transcendental meditation. This involves the use of a mantra or word as a focal point for the mind. The goal of transcendental meditation is to achieve a state of deep relaxation and inner peace through the repetition of a mantra. 3. Guided meditation. This is meditation led by a teacher or an audio recording. Guided meditation can help beginners to focus and relax, and it can be helpful in developing a meditation practice. 4. Yoga meditation. This combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to improve overall health and well-being. Yoga meditation is designed to bring balance to the body, mind, and spirit. 5. Loving kindness meditation. This form of meditation is focused on cultivating feelings of love and compassion towards oneself and others. This type of meditation helps to reduce negative emotions such as anger and hatred and promote inner peace and well-being. 6. Zazen. This is a Zen meditation which is done in seated position and focused on breathing and posture. The goal of Zazen is to achieve a state of inner peace and enlightenment. 7. Qigong meditation. This is a Chinese practice that combines movement, breathing, and meditation to improve physical and mental health. 8. Chakra meditation. This form of meditation focuses on the body's energy centers, known as chakras, to promote balance and well-being. Meditation can be done in a variety of settings, including in a quiet room, outside, in nature, or even while walking. It can also be practiced for different lengths of time, from a few minutes to several hours. It is important to note that meditation is not about clearing the mind of all thoughts, but rather about learning to observe thoughts and feelings without judgment and let them pass. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Meditation is a simple practice that can be integrated into your daily routine and can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. With regular practice, you will learn to manage stress better, improve your focus and concentration, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and calm. It is also important to mention that the benefits of meditation are cumulative. The more you practice, the better you will become at it.